Masaya na lang ako para sa sarili ko. Bakit ang buo ko parang would you still love me the same? Dalawang araw pa. Would you still love me the same? Ang sarap pala maging masaya. Sarili mo. Yung natutupad sabi niya yung race nakadepende
All the times that you rain on my
sa'yo.
parade, and all the clubs you get in using my name. You think you broke my heart, oh girl, for goodness sake. You think
Alam mo, narinig ko ang kantang yan. Nasa Dubai pa ako, 2016.
And I didn't wanna write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care or don't. But you still hit my phone up, and baby I've been moving on. And I think you should be something I don't wanna hold back. Maybe you should know that my mama don't like you, she likes everyone. And I never lied to admit that I was wrong. And I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, and now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. But when you told me that you hated my friends, the only problem was with you and my friend. And every time you told me my brain was wrong,
Anong tawag doon? Nag-minfest pa? Pag yan, nag-minfest pa.
and I didn't wanna write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care or don't. But you still hit my phone up, and baby I've been moving on. And I think you should be something I don't wanna hold back. Maybe you should know that my mama don't like you.
Gusto matutuwa rin si Payat nun. Hintayin ko muna, tapos sabihin ko kay Payat. Kasi gusto ko siya yung ma-surprise eh. Guys, for the first time, nag-ayot ka siya ng mag-call-play ko. Ang inuna ka live tayo sa yun. Ilan talaga yun?
You love them much, baby, you should go and love yourself. But if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself.
Sarap ng buhay natin. Tangin na yung papayaw pala.
All the times that you made me feel small, I fell in love, now I feel nothing at all. Never felt so wrong when I was on. Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself.
Philip pala.
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt.
Patingin ang picture, tangina mo, hindi yan. Kanina. Nagtitismisan tayo. Nagtitismisan tayo. Anong tsura mo? Hindi yan! Nagtitismisan tayo dalawa.
You know it can get hard sometimes. Baby, makes us feel alive.
Bakit ang mukha yan? Mukha ba ba yan?
We keep this love in a photograph. We make these memories for ourselves.
Bibigyan tao kahit na may trailer sa ano natin. You've been trained! Oh, sorry guys.
Holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me, come home.
Sino to?
Loving can heal.
Sino tumatawag?
Loving can mend your soul. And it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easy.
Ang ina, mataas pa yung buhok ko kaysa sa mukha ko.
It's the only
Ikaw,
we're just one.
ganggalo. Wait na. Hey guys, so kain kayong chocolate.
Keep this love in a photograph. We make these memories for ourselves. With our eyes tonight closing.
Anong buwan mo? Ito. Eh! Mia! Paano niya lasing yan? Lasing na lang yung mga kumahan mo ah. Paano ah? Sabi niya, tangin na, no, oras pa naman. Yes, Fred! Kaya ang taba namin eh. Kaya ang taba namin eh. Yes, and tequila. Yes! Mia, tequila! 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 Oh! Vodka! 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 Lasing na yun. Ano pa yun?
Mas mo kanina ka lang ako na pwede para ko tapat mo.
Parang naman ako. Kakainin niya ako. Kainin mo ako.
Sila tumayo para kasi dati.
Sa ano? Sa ano? Sa ano? Sa ano? Sana sa ano ka lang. Nakita ko sa TikTok eh. Ano sa ano? Sa ano. Wait lang. Ang ina niya ako makakangaya. Ba't ganun? Mali. Music video lang. Uuwi na ka.
Call me first boy in my first love in my
First love.
from my above and I don't care if you don't give love back, 'cause in my heart it's where you went and then
That customer don't pay in Malibu.
wanna keep the nigga
Sinjo?
That's why my man say next time if they spend money and then they buy, you just make like this. I say no. In this you cannot. I can just throw them, but I want they pay. That's why I fight.
Believe me, kasi my love is true.
And
It's a
old men come always first pay.
Who of men we are?
All. Doesn't matter who.
The three?
All old men first pay. All Korean.
The customer I have, he not drinking tequila because he said, if I drink tequila, I also go ahead and
I
then...
get drunk. That's why he changed big shot glass. Like this, he said, okay, deal.
Something
But
for
they
me.
don't know.
Hindi ako nakabuto.
Maybe he was thinking I already drunk.
They fight outside, lying.
Outside? Yeah!
Even...
He threw his friend.
Yes.
Yeah, and they were like hugging their fingers.
Yung mga kaibigan ko. Silbal!
How can they do that to each other?
Yung ano.
Yung laki-laki ng bawat isang klase. Why are Koreans like that?
Pero ba ako sa Pilipino?
Kapag kaibigan mo,
Ingatan mo na.
Ingatan mo. Pero sa kanila, sa tradition nila, pag kupal kang kaibigan mo, kanya mo habis kita sa balubag kita.
in Philippines, yeah, at least good thing in Philippines.
Even you cannot pay, you're my friend.
Like I will
But
pay for
here,
you.
if you cannot pay, I will throw you outside.
That's good. Like they will take care of
You cannot spend my money.
in Philippines. I take care. At least may ganun pala sa bayanihan kasi bayanihan.
Yeah, in Philippines, even, for example, one trouble, all. Don't go. Okay, we die all here. But we get
Yeah.
They all die. They
That's
all
real.
die.
In Philippines,
Bayanihan
We
tayo.
will die here all. But don't jump to one or
no one can live. Or no one can live because kawawa.
That's why in Philippines, yeah, all heroes already died.
Gagawang puta.
Hindi, seryoso, lagi ko
Totoo naman yun. Totoo naman yun. Legit yun.
Lagi sinasabi.
Kaya maraming namamatay.
Lagi sinasabi na, kaya sila, ganyan. Hindi kasi ganito ganyan kawawa. Tandaan mo, at ha, lahat ng ano, patay na. Lahat ng bayani daw, nakalibing na.
Totoo yun. Totoo yun.
Nasa kultura kasi natin talaga yung bayanihan.
Ulul ko palkan apat. Ay, tatlo.
O, isa man na isa din namin nakikita.
So, kupal kayong tatlo. Talaga ba? Samantalang tayong tatlo, puking ina. Taro na, bilisan mo, bulungan pa. Puking ina mo, uwi na tayo. Gago kayo.
Ako, tumakbo naman ako.
Ito na! Mia one time, some customer catching for me, I run away. And then, the three of them also running. Where you're running?
Yeah, she told me, run! Why? I said, why?
Where are you running also?
Who am I running to? What am I running to?
Why? Why I'm running? Very good.
Pagbalik namin sa elevator, bakit tumatakbo ka?
Galit ka. Bakit huwag na kami tumatakbo lang sa'yo? Sabi ko lang, gusto ko lang. Realidad kasi yun, di.
But everyone running.
At least meron tayong mga masasayang experience na putang ina, tumakbo kami kasi tumakbo yung kaibigan namin, tarantado eh.
Parang si Ate Cheng, taro, sabi ko. Nanilis kami ni Ate Maggie, kalalimuan, bakit na tayo tumatakbo?
Hindi, pero tangina, kasi ng mga pakanamdam na putang ina, mga kaibigan kayo, pero tangina, pag merong ano, takbo tayo, takbo din sila. Hindi, meron pa isang beses. Mga takbo ko. Inano ko yung elevator. Napunta sa 10th floor. 7th floor pa lang bumaba. Mia! We put 10th floor. But in 7th floor, we go outside with Mari. I go outside with Mari. And then we go inside in the room. Same password, Mia! Same password, but that's not our room. Oh, where you? Our things are not done. And then we go inside like, oh, okay. Where go re? Pero ang saya, marami tayong experience na magkakasama ng tangina, puro katuwaan niya. At least masaya tayo.
Tanga, may choice pa yung nanay niya, kaso nila yata.
Bakit nandiyan naman yung auntie namin ah? Ganun naman talaga pag lumayas ng nanay, kaya nang nag-aalag.
Inaman na kayo ng nanay.
Eh, ganun talaga. At least hindi malaki yung suso namin. Mas pabigat.
Sakto lang akin. Ay, sorry!
Kaya na kasi mas pabigat eh.
Alam mo yung sa kanya, alam mo yung...
Galit
Araw
pa
ka
eh.
ng ano, sakit sa... Ito ba?
Hindi ganun. Hindi yung dito ang magiging sakit eh. Sa utak. Ay, nakukumis yun. Gusto ko yan. Akala ko mag-uwi ka ng ano yun.
Hindi yung noodles kasi.
Oo nga.
Siyempre kasi dry kasi.
Magaling ba kasi yan? Sabi ko nga sa'yo, di ba na pinayin sa mga sabi ko, kala mo kung ikaw yung... Namimiss ko lang kasi parang...
Meron dyan sa may ano, sa Chinatown, yung noodles natin. Pero meron na kasi siyang automatic na cornstarch. Kaya pag hinuho mo siya, malapot na siya, parang lomi type na. Kaya kami natin, pero diba ilang araw tayong lomi? Mami mo na kasi lomi.
Hindi, namimiss ko na kaya yung vlog. Sorry, Damia.
Wait lang guys.
O, taro! Dam, inom tayo. Unang round, kanina sa glass. Pangalawang round, apat pa rin. Kinain mo ba, Sara? Yung pagkain kanina natin? Oo. Bukas ko na ugasan. Para ko yung bag. Huwag kang mag-ano dyan, Michelle.
Si Janet yan, yung dinim.
Hindi nga.